Hello. Hope you're doing well. It's been a long time. I'm just going to do a quick review for the weekly analysis. I'm going to focus on some few forex pairs and Nasdaq and gold. So as you can see here, we have a news-filled week. So you are going to expect a lot of volatility happening in this coming week. It's a very busy week. We can see the red folder news there. We have also FOMC on Wednesday, which is good. We're going to expect a lot of volatility during this time. And we have the monetary policy for the pound on Thursday, and the retail sales for the CAD on Friday. So it's going to be a busy week. It's going to be a very busy week. So without even wasting time, let's just hop in the charts so that I look into them. So we have the Euro USD chart here. As you can see that the previous trend was very bearish. As you can see there, and the current trend right now is bullish. We have a very strong bullish current market trend, and I still expect EU to go to the upside and go above this highs here, which I've annotated. And with this news filled week, we might also see it pump into this fair value gap. You might see it pump into the fair value gap there. So right now, price has traded above this inefficiency here, this fair value gap here. Price has traded above it, and it has been retesting it over and over again. We traded above it once, we came back into it, and we repelled away from it. So this day here, which was Monday, we saw a displacement away from the high of this gap here. So we want to see price maybe tap one more time above it, or inside this down candle here, which will be our bullish order block, and then expand into this buy side liquidity here. That's my expectation on the euro dollar. I still expect the euro currency to be strong and the dollar to be weak. So with that being said, I'm bullish on euro USD as of this week. And if price happens to close below this gap, that's when we can start looking to see it fill these inefficiencies here. But as for now, I'm bullish, and I'm looking to see it take out the buy stops, which I've annotated them. And when you go to GBP USD, as you can see, the pound also, I'm expecting it to go to the upside. I want to see this buy side liquidity taken out, which I've annotated there. It is at that swing high, which is at 1.3048. So I want to see that high being taken out. Price, as you can see, traded above this inefficiency, which has been annotated by the green shaded area, and formed a bullish order block there, expanded away from the order block, came back into it, and today, yesterday on Monday, expanded away from the order block. So I want to see price continue digging into this high here, and eventually taking the buy side liquidity. And with enough volatility, we might see price trade into that white area, which is our favorite gap, which will be our favorite gap. So for GU, I'm also bullish. Then we have the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq, as you can see, the previous trend was very bullish. It's been bullish for a long time, and in the late week of January we started having a bearish trend, a wonderful bearish trend. As you can see, right now we are in a bearish trend. This is an obvious trend going to the downside. Price right now paused just in this favorite gap here. As you can see, the gap here on the left, this is where price paused. I'm gonna annotate this using, let me give it a white color. Price paused in the gap there, and then now there is this little retracement or pullback which is currently happening. So I want to see Nasdaq hold into this favorite gap which is in, and we have this level here which I marked, 20,000 and 19,800. I'm expecting price to be giving us maybe a sell setup around those areas, and continue to dip for this sell side liquidity here, and eventually fill this favorite gap. And if price continues going low, this sell stops here might be our second target. But as for this week, I think this sell side liquidity will be a normal target to look out for. So for Nasdaq, I'm bearish. I want to see it go down below the sell stops here. And for gold, which has been very bullish, very bullish. Gold, I don't have much to say on it because it's already bullish. On the daily, you can see that the momentum is to the upside. Everything is bullish. It's at all-time highs. It has crossed 3,000. That means that the value of gold is going up, and currencies are losing value. So the dollar is weak and gold is very bullish. That's why we see it buying like this. And with these economic events which are happening, so we still expect gold to continue and run into this 30-50 level. I want to see it sprint and continue going to this 30-50 level here, and if it closes above it, then we might see it continue going to 3,100. So for gold, I'm bullish, and there's nothing much for me to say about it. I just want to see it continue buying until it starts giving us a clean rejection to the downside and giving us a break in market structure, maybe after consolidating and messing out with people's minds at the highs here. But for now, I'm still bullish. There's nothing much to say about gold. With that being said, that was a quick review for this week's analysis, and I'll keep you updated in the group as the week goes on. Thank you so much. Take care.